A box plot is a graphical representation of statistical data based on the minimum first quartile, median, here the first quartile, and the minimum first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Okay, so the term box plot comes from the fact that the graph looks like a rectangle with lines extending from the top and bottom. Because of the extending lines, this type of graph sometimes called box and whisker plot. Okay, so here we are drawing all the numeric attributes, like each numeric attribute. So directly we can call it from the df dot plot dot box, that whatever the pandas data frame contains dot plot dot box. So if we want the individual thing, right, individual, like we are taking the income as a category, income one thing, that for that one plot, like matplotlib dot as pld we declared, right? So that one we are through that dot plot box plot df income and then pld dot show. So it is showing whatever it is, and these things which are coming, this dots, right, outside of this minimum maximum, these are generally called outliers. Okay, so this outlier should be removed in order to get the meaningful analytics or statistics on the data. Okay.